They ain't think I was gonna go
Crunchy.
at all.
Crunchy.
Keep it a
At
stack.
all.
Middle
Crunchy.
finger.
100.
Middle finger.
Little bit.
You heard?
Crunchy.
Sturdy. Got him.
Sturdy. Ooh. We sturdy. Crunchy.
Let's get into it. So you're gonna go ahead and put them green peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers in the pan with some diced onions. And you're gonna sweat these things out. You heard? Sweat them out.
Like your weave, you
Make
heard?
sure they nice and cooked down. You know what I mean? Like this. Yeah. Add that ground beef. Let's go. And this was an 80-20 mix. 80-20. Chop this up real good. Know what I'm saying? Cook it down like this right here. So make sure you cook your meat well done. We're going to add some adobo. Gotta have that adobo. You know what I mean? We're going to add some of that garlic powder. Some garlic powder, of course, add as much as you like. Of course, to taste. You know what I mean? Add some crushed red pepper flakes. You know what I'm saying? Got to get the spicy in there. Keep it right. Let's add some oregano. Again, this is only to taste. If you don't like it, I understand. Stir that up. Yo, don't play with this part. Like, stir it in. Trust me, you definitely want to stir it in. Look at that. Look at that. See? That's what you're going to get. That's what you're going to get. Right there. Stir that up. Stir it up real good. And there's still some red in there. We're still cooking down the meat. It's okay. You know, we like things crunchy over here. Know what I'm saying? So go ahead and stir that up. Mix it real good. See what I'm doing, right? Don't slack on this part at all. Do not slack.
Like you wash your
Heard?
ass.
I know. I know. So there you got it. Mix that up real good. Nah, mate. Now, let's get this garlic butter going. Get it going. Add 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of garlic, depending on how you want it to taste. Straight up, however you want it to taste. All right, maybe 2.5. A stick of butter, and I'm using salted butter, but you can use unsalted butter if you like. Some parsley. Gotta have the parsley. Who got the parsley? Nobody got the parsley? I ain't bad. We definitely gonna add some basil. Just a sprinkle though. And this is some garlic spread that I had in the refrigerator. Use what you got. You know, it all works good. It's all gonna taste good. You see that? You see how that butter melting down?
Butter melt
And that
down
fresh
all
black
over your ball.
pepper. Got to have the pepper. Yeah, go ahead. Put that in there. You know what I'm saying? Make it good. Make it good. You gotta eat it. Only you gotta eat it. Come on, no play. Stir that around, you know what I'm saying? A little bit. Give it a little push. Put the top on the joint. Now let's get back to this meat. Now that the meat was cooking down while we was getting the garlic butter ready, let's go ahead and give it a good stir. This is very important. You want to stir your meat around. Yeah. Stir the meat. Yeah, now that that's nice and good. Straight, go ahead and put the top on that joint. Yo, bro, set it to the side. Sit it to the side. Let's go ahead and set that oven at that 350. Set it for 350. Ooh. Let's go ahead and place your Hawaiian honey rolls. I think that's what they call. Just go ahead and put them in a pan. And you're going to take that garlic butter that we cooked down and you're going to put it all over the honey rolls on the bottom. Yeah, on the bottom. Well, this is how I do it. You could do it however you want. I go ahead and put the cheese on there. I don't put too much on one layer because I'm going to add 2 layers of cheese. So I make sure to get it right. Just enough on there to keep the hamburger on the rolls. And then, you know what I'm saying, add that cheese. Now we're going to put this meat on here, this hamburger. Chopped up ground beef, whatever you want to call it. Got it going. Go ahead, don't be stingy. Put that joint on there. Put it on there. Son, don't be stingy with the meat. Pause. Don't be stingy. Go ahead, slap that joint on there. And the only thing you want to be cautious of is the ends, because the meat will fall off. Can't even talk, right? It's all good. I could cook though. Yeah, go ahead, put that on there. I mean, don't play. I mean, make it right. As right as you can. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, put some ketchup on there. Make it work. Take them diced onions that we had from earlier. Put them joints on there. Good money. I wish I had some pickles, but I didn't have no pickles. So use what you got. Add another layer of cheese. Yeah, buddy. Got that cheese on there. Let's go. Slide them buns on there. Slide them buns on there. Try to make them line up. That's the goal here. Try to make them line up. See what I'm saying? So the bottom is not overlapping the top or vice versa. Now we're going to come in with this garlic butter. Ooh. Let's go. Come in with the garlic butter. Just on top. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bit. You know what I mean? Make it taste good. Make it taste right. You know what I'm saying? Don't play. So this is definitely for you and your family. So you definitely want to make sure that it's right. For sure. Go ahead, don't be cheap with the garlic butter. It's homemade, so you got enough of it. Yeah. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. And you're going to sprinkle oil. Yo. Hey, you know what I mean. Just put it on there. It's all goody. Okay, lather that joint down. You let it get in the little pockets right there, the creases or whatever. Let it fall on the cheese. It's all good. You know, yeah, look at that. That's what you want right there. See all the garlic and all them seasonings? Yeah, we in there. Let's go. Yeah, this gonna be good. Let's go ahead and slide this joint in the oven for that 350. And I'm gonna have some crowns, some potato crowns. And these are similar to the ones at like Burger King and all that. So if you like those, you might want to get you some crown. Let me get that out of there. You know what I'm saying? Don't need no more parchment paper. Spread these around real quick. Spread them around. Spread it around. Nah, but you want to spread them around so they'll cook nice and crispy. And they don't be all mushy because they on top of each other. Go ahead and set the joint to 400. That's that Ninja Foodie to 400 for 11 minutes. We in there. Nah, 11. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get these sliders out the oven. After about 10 minutes. Yeah. Nice and brown. And toasty. And toasty. You see it? You see it? Brown them buns. Brown them. Brown them. Yo. Yeah, that look good, don't it? It look good, don't it? I know. See, when you put in the work for it, it's possible. Just make sure you follow the recipe. Follow instructions. It's not hard. It's simple. All right, so we're going to take the spatula. Remember what I said about keeping them even. So you definitely want to use a spatula, maybe something you can press down into the rolls instead of dragging or cutting and dragging through, because they will drag. So you just want to try to make them as even as possible. And you know what I'm saying? Hope for the better. You know what I mean? Don't play. Hope for the better. So yeah, now that we got these cut up, bow. Whoa. Look what we got here, my man. Honey garlic cheeseburger slider. See that? Raw. Official. Official. You like that recipe? Yo, leave them comments down below. And I know it look good.